Good afternoon, all of you. Today is discussing about Entamoeba histolytica life history. So, Entamoeba histolytica, it is a monogenetic parasite. Monogenetic parasite. So, what is a monogenetic parasite? Its life cycle completes in one host, that is also called the monogenetic parasite. And next, the Entamoeba histolytica life history. Entamoeba histolytica life history. So they are arranged in systematic position. So phylum Protozoa. So it's phylum Protozoa. Class Rhizopoda. So its systemic order is phylum Protozoa and class Rhizopoda. So it is the systemic order of Entamoeba histolytica. So Entamoeba is the protozoal parasite and it is also called the monogenetic parasite. So Entamoeba histolytica means Entamoeba histolytica. It means Entamoeba histolytica. It means histose. Histose means tissues. So histose means tissues. And next, lysis means dissolve. Lysis means dissolve. Okay, so histose means tissues and lysis means dissolve. And next, antos means within. Antos means within. And next, amoeba means change. Amoeba means change. So antos means within, amoeba means change, histose means tissue, and lysis lytica. Lysis means dissolve. So within the change in tissue dissolve is also called the Entamoeba histolytica. So it is the monogenetic parasite. But the Entamoeba histolytica cause the disorder is amoebic dysentery or amoebiosis. So like that, gum motions and blood motions and water motions also. Okay. So it cause the disorder is amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery or amoebiosis. Amoebic dysentery or amoebiosis. Amoebic dysentery or amoebiosis. Okay, so that is the cause the disorder is amoebic dysentery or amoebiosis. Next, the mode of action. So it is also contaminated by. So the Entamoeba histolytica is contaminated by contamination of food and water. So it is the contamination by food and water. Contaminated food and water. So it is also carried by cockroaches and houseflies. Cockroaches and houseflies. So cockroaches and houseflies are mechanical vectors. Okay, so the Entamoeba histolytica is caused by contaminated food and water. So the contaminated food and water are carried by mechanical vectors, that is cockroaches and houseflies. Okay, next. So the structure of Entamoeba histolytica. So the structure of Entamoeba histolytica. The structure of Entamoeba histolytica. It is also contains mainly 3 three stages. Three stages. So first one, pre-cystic stage. Second one, cystic stage. Pre-cystic stage and cystic stage and trophozoite stage. Okay, sorry. First one, trophozoite. Trophozoite stage. Second, third. Trophozoite stage, pre-cystic stage and cystic stage. Mainly, these are the three stages of structure of Entamoeba histolytica. Structure of Entamoeba histolytica are, first one is the trophozoite stage and second one is the pre-cystic stage and third one is the cystic stage. Okay, so now discussing about trophozoite stage. So next one is trophozoite stage. So that is the trophozoite stage is active stage. Trophozoite stage is active stage and motile. So what is a motile? So it is moving one place to another place. That is the motile. So next, feeding, taking a food, more amount of food. So that is a feeding stage and it is a pathogenic stage. What is a pathogenic stage? So it is a infective stage. Pathogenic stage means infective stage. So it is a infective stage. So the trophozoite is first of all active stage and motile stage and feeding stage and it is a pathogenic stage. Okay, so it is easily infected to another person's stage. So that is the trophozoite stage. And next, it is also moves with the help of a blunt finger-like structure. So it moves with the help of a blunt finger-like structure. So that is the pseudopodia. So its blunt finger-like structure, pseudopodia, is also called lobopodia also. Lobopodia. Lobopodia. It is also called lobopodia. For example, this is structure of trophozoite. This is a structure of trophozoite. So this is the blunt finger-like structure, that is the pseudopodia. It is moved to one place to another place with the help of pseudopodia, that is the lobopodia. Okay, so the inner surface, so the outer surface of trophozoite is also covered by the layer is plasma lemma. So the trophozoite stage is also covered by the layer is plasma lemma. And inner surface is cytoplasm. Inner surface contains cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains ribosomes, food vacuoles and cartwheel-shaped nucleus is also present. Cartwheel-shaped nucleus. So the nucleus shape is cartwheel-shaped nucleus is also present. It is a very important character of the trophozoite. And next, so in trophozoite stage, the mitochondria are absent. So then act as a obligatory anaerobe. Obligatory anaerobe. So the mitochondria is absent, then act as a obligatory anaerobe. Okay, so that is the trophozoite stage of Entamoeba histolytica. And the next one, the Entamoeba produce histolytica. So the Entamoeba is also called the Entamoeba histolytica. So why was called the histolytica? The Entamoeba produces the histolysine protein. Histolysine proteolytic enzyme. So it is a proteolytic enzyme. So the Entamoeba histolytica, they produce the histolysine protein. So histolytic enzymatic action then form the histolytica. then form the histolytica. So Entamoeba is also present in the mucosa, submucosa, mucosa and submucosa layer of intestine. It is also lives in the mucosa and submucosa layer of the intestine. So in intestine, it produces the histolysin proteolytic enzyme. So then dissolve the outer surface layer. So then it is also called the histolytica. Then it is also called histolytica. And next, its nutrition is holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutritive methods. So that is the first stage of the Entamoeba histolytica. And next one, pre-cystic stage. Next stage is pre-cystic stage. Pre-cystic stage. So what is a pre-cystic stage? Before. Cystic stage before, that is the pre-cystic stage. It is a non-feeding stage. Non-feeding stage and non-pathogenic stage. Non-pathogenic stage. Non-feeding stage and non-pathogenic stage. So it is the pre-cystic stage is the non-feeding stage and non-pathogenic stage. And next it is the spherical shaped structure. Spherical shaped structure, and it is a small in size. So it is a small, spherical and small in size. Spherical shape and small in size. And next, so it acts as a reserve the food vacuoles. So they act as a reserves the food. Okay. And next one, cystic stage. Cystic. So what is a cyst? Cyst is the protective covering. Protective covering is the cyst. So cyst is the sac-like projection or sac-like structure or pouch-like structure also. Okay, so that is the cystic stage. So it is a round in shape. Round shape. So it is a pathogenic stage. Pathogenic stage. What is a pathogenic? It is an infective stage. Pre-cystic is the non-pathogenic or non-infective stage, but cystic is the pathogenic stage. Pathogenic stage. And next one, it is also present in the lumen of small intestine. Lumen of small intestine. So the parasite is covered by protective cuticle, in unfavorable conditions. So they develop the cyst wall. Okay, so in unfavorable conditions, the parasite they develop the cyst wall. So then it is also present lying on the inside of the parasite. Okay, it is also present on the inside of host body. Okay, so that is the 3 stages of Entamoeba histolytica, and its life cycle shows the diagram. Show the diagram. So this is the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica.